slow, medium.
There we go.
Fast, very fast. There's no change at the end.
7th graders at LaBrae Middle School come to terms. Technology, engineering, robotics, math, and science class, knowing the projects will not be a breeze.
And I tell them on the first day of class, I said, I'm not like your other teachers where I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. I said, I want to see your solution to this problem. There's not one answer. And if you're worried about grades, you get an A. I'm not worried about grades. Now that the grades are out of the way, let's do some work. Let's have some fun.
Using Lego Mindstorm kits, the students create and build inventions with programmable bricks, motors, and sensors. They began the class 9 weeks ago with virtually no programming knowledge.
So this side weight, pushing it down, it's actually going almost ovalized.
The 5-speed fan, which we did today, was really cool, I thought. Because usually, a lot of fans only have 3, but we did it 5, and when we pushed the touch sensor in, it got gradually faster each time.
What's the very fastest it could go?
100.
100. So if I wanted to give it 5 different settings, it should jump up by how much?
20. Good job.
Say again.
20.
Why?
Because 5 times 20 equals 100.
Okay. So
I
very
focus a lot on the engineering design process of, planning before you actually start building, testing different build methodologies, and after we get a program running, does the fan itself need modifications? I mean, we cover everything. I've got math, I've got English, I've got science, we've got communication, we have to give presentations.
I don't always have all the answers. I don't know if you know this or not.
In my class, one of the things that was unknown to me, even to, I didn't know that the fan wouldn't get to 100%. In years past, it was close. It was a lot closer than 85%, but it was interesting to see when the kids said, I don't know, their reaction when I said, I don't know either. Going on that discovery mission together, I think a lot of teachers are afraid of that because they've been taught that teacher is the person who knows everything. But embracing that lack of knowledge, it helps me be a better teacher. I'm able to show the kids that I can still learn, which I think really resonates with a lot of them.
Take this down.
Wait, can this go even more?
No.
The enthusiasm continues into high school for some who become part of the competitive robotics team.
Seeing them grow from just the little junior high kids that wanted to stay after school and play with Legos with me to where they are now is just phenomenal.
It's more the openness of, here's a challenge, now do try your hardest. You're more on your own. I'm always here to help you, but I'm not going to give you the answers. So that's what I mostly want with a teacher, is someone that will guide me, but not just do it the easy way, give me the answers so I can get the A on the test and call it good enough.
I've got some pretty sharp minds in there. I've got a couple of kids that I think are going to go places, make it big, and then I'm going to send them a letter and say, hey, don't forget about your robotics team.
I'll hold it, you guys screw it.
See if they make a donation.
There, get the nut over there.